Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you have air conditioner on your vehicle that you're trying to recharge, and you went to your local store, your Walmart, and got you one of these little hoses right here with a little gauge built into it? It's got you screw onto the can, and then you pull the trigger in your vehicle, and it's not taking any Freon, and you're thinking maybe that needle valve's bad. Well, on that end or on this end right here, that it's not taking it in the can. Well, these new, for the EPA, these new Freon cans that are 2020, it's got a little self-sealing needle valve in there. It reseats, so you can take it off your AC line, and you can, when you're not using all the cans, so you're not wasting it and evaporating into the air, because you know that's technically illegal. Well, but it won't work. This will not work on that can no more. You have to buy this refrigerant hose adapter. You have to have this adapter. And that goes onto your hose. Because that needle valve in the handle, even on a modern, brand new set of gauges, this is a brand new set of gauges, that needle valve does not penetrate into the can to let the Freon out of the can. It will not work. You have to have this adapter for that can, because it goes way down into that valve and reseals the can, but it penetrates that valve. I know it's crazy, but it's a long needle that comes through there. Even, like I said, even this needle valve right here on an actual gauge set, this will not penetrate that needle. I've tried a brand new one. You know, went and replaced just the valve, thinking the needle, the seal in there was bad. Like I said, it will not penetrate this Freon can. And unfortunately, all the cans nowadays are going that way. Even your, you know, all your stuff, anywhere you buy, whether it's Walmart, AutoZone, Amazon, whatever. So guys, in order to use your brand new Freon cans, it's got this pinhole, which is a needle valve, self-sealing valve on the top. These Freon cans. Okay. You have to have, whoops, I dropped it. You have to have this R134 recharge hose adapter, so it punctures that needle valve in the top of that can. It will not work. So hopefully this helps some of you out there trying to figure out why you can't get your air conditioner recharged. It's not pulling Freon into this system. Well, that's why. You have to have this adapter. I'll show you the back here. Alright guys, hopefully that helps you all out. Please show the channel some love as always. Hit that thumbs up button if you find this video useful and entertaining. If it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. I mean, why not? Help a brother out, you know what I'm saying? Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, fellas, please out there, subscribe. It greatly appreciated. It helps out my channel dearly. You'll have a wonderful day.